aim is to identify starchy food.
This activity apparatus needs iodine, water, dropper, potato pieces. This activity infers starch in a potato. Let's go video activity.
This activity needs potato, water, iodine solution, and dropper. First I take potato piece. Then I take 2-3 drops of iodine solution. Then I put one potato piece, 2-3 drops of iodine solution. Then we are observation. What do you see?
The potato color is a change.
Which color is the potato?
The potato color is a blackish blue.
Why potato color is a blackish blue?
The starchy turn a blackish blue when with contact iodine.
What is the inference?
The inference is starch in a potato.
Which material are present in a starch?
Jawar, bajra, sago, wheat, potato.
What is important of starchy food in our life?
The starchy food is important in our life. It's give more energy to our body and keep warm.
Thank you.